French Toast Crunch? I don't know if I've been living under a rock or if this is a brand new thing, but I've never tried it. So today I'm gonna try. As you can see, they do not look like anything like the real Cinnamon Toast Crunch. Okay, let's give them the smelly test. It basically just smells like syrup. Let's try one dry, and then I'm gonna try it with milk in a bowl. Got a little piece of toast. I'm pretty sure it's gonna taste exactly how I think it is. So 3, 2, 1, go. Yep. Tastes exactly like my expectations. I don't have any milk gallons, so I have to use cartons. 3, 2, 1. Tastes exactly like French toast. That's pretty good. 8.7.